Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile. First, make sure your Roblox account has a verified email address and a confirmed phone number. This is a crucial security step. Also, remember that voice chat is only available for users who are 13 years old or older. These initial checks are essential before proceeding to the next steps. Once your email and phone are verified, the next step is age verification. Go to your Roblox account settings and look for the Verify My Age option. You'll need to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued ID. This process usually takes a few minutes to complete, ensuring a safe environment for all users.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're gaming or on the go. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
After your age verification is successful, head back to your account settings. This time, navigate to the Privacy tab. Within the Privacy settings, you will find a toggle switch labeled Enable Voice Chat. Simply tap this switch to turn it on. You're almost there. Just one more step to enjoy spatial voice. Now that voice chat is enabled, you can join any Roblox experience that supports this feature. Once in a game, you'll see a small microphone icon above your avatar. Tapping this icon will allow you to mute or unmute your microphone. Remember, spatial voice chat means you can only hear and be heard by players close to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.